Scene script. Have you ever pondered where the future of finance is heading? How will innovation and growth strategies redefine it? We are in the midst of a financial revolution, a revolution driven by innovative thinking and strategic growth. The finance industry is no longer about dusty ledgers and stuffy suits. It's about technology, automation, digital transformation, and an insatiable need for progress. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magnitude of this change. Traditional financial systems, which have been in place for centuries, are being challenged and reinvented. We are witnessing the birth of a new financial era where technology and automation are not just tools, but the very foundation of financial processes. Innovation in finance is not just about implementing new technologies. It's about rethinking the way we approach finance. It's about fostering a culture of continuous improvement, where every process, every strategy, every decision is driven by the desire to do better, to be more efficient, and to deliver more value. The role of digital transformation in this revolution cannot be overstated. Digital transformation is not just about moving from paper to pixels. It's about leveraging the power of data, analytics, and artificial intelligence to make finance smarter, faster, and more customer-centric. And let's not forget about growth. In this context, growth is not just about increasing profits or expanding market share. It's about fostering a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation, where the pursuit of excellence and the desire to innovate are ingrained in the very DNA of the organization. But what does all this mean for you and me? It means that the finance industry is becoming more efficient, more transparent, and more customer-friendly. It means that the barriers to financial services are being lowered, making it easier for everyone to participate in the financial system. It's a brave new world out there, full of promise and potential. A world where finance is no longer a dry, boring subject, but a dynamic, exciting field full of opportunities for innovation and growth. The future of finance is here, and it's innovative, dynamic, and ripe with opportunities. Innovation in finance might sound complex, but it's simpler than you think. Consider this. Once upon a time, people traded goods directly for other goods, a system known as barter. Then, we moved on to physical currencies, gold, silver, and coins. Later, paper money and checks became the norm. Fast forward to today, we're swiping cards, scanning QR codes, and clicking buttons online to make transactions. That's finance innovation at its heart, evolving and simplifying the way we exchange value. Let's take a closer look at finance innovation today. We're living in an era where technology is intertwined with our everyday lives. From ordering a cup of coffee to buying a car, financial transactions have become seamless thanks to technology. This is the magic of finance innovation. Companies worldwide are harnessing the power of technology to streamline financial processes. They're using artificial intelligence to analyze market trends, blockchain to secure transactions, and automation to reduce human error. The result? Faster, more secure, and efficient financial processes. Think about mobile banking. Remember the days when you had to physically go to a bank to deposit a check or transfer money? Now, all it takes is a few taps on your smartphone and voila! The transaction is complete. That's finance innovation in action, making life easier and more convenient. Or consider the rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a new form of digital asset based on a network that's distributed across numerous computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of governments and central authorities. The very idea of decentralization is a significant innovation in the finance world. So, when we talk about finance innovation, it's not about creating complex systems. Instead, it's about leveraging technology to simplify and streamline financial processes. It's about breaking down barriers and making financial services more accessible to everyone, everywhere. Indeed, finance innovation is not about complexity, but about simplification and efficiency. Growth strategies in finance are not what they used to be. Once upon a time, financial growth was a straightforward process. You saved, you invested, you reaped the rewards. The world of finance was a predictable one, with a well-trodden path leading to success. But as we well know, the only constant in life is change. So, let's journey back in time a little. Think about the financial landscape 20 years ago. Stockbrokers shouting across trading floors, banks with towering buildings symbolizing their might, and investment strategies that were as rigid as the steel beams holding up those edifices. That was the financial world of yesteryears. Now, fast forward to today's world. The towering buildings are still there, but the shouting across trading floors has been replaced by the silent hum of supercomputers processing billions of transactions in milliseconds. The rigid investment strategies have given way to flexible, dynamic, and personalized financial plans. The shift from traditional methods to innovative techniques is not just apparent, it's seismic. But what's driving this evolution? Well, the answer lies in technology and innovation. The advent of financial technology, or Fintech, has been a game changer. With the help of automation, artificial intelligence, and blockchain, the finance industry is not just changing, it's morphing into something that was once the stuff of science fiction. These innovative technologies have brought about a new era in finance, an era that's defined by speed, efficiency, and personalization. They've made it possible for us to transfer money across the world in seconds, invest in stocks with a few taps on our phones, and even get financial advice from AI-powered bots. But what does this mean for growth strategies in finance? It means they're not about just saving and investing anymore. They're about embracing change, harnessing the power of technology, and riding the wave of innovation. They're about being flexible, being proactive, and being ready to adapt to the ever-changing financial landscape. So remember, the old ways of doing things are just that, old. They're part of the past, and while they've served us well, it's time to look forward. The new era of growth strategies in finance is about embracing innovation, technology, and change, and those who understand this will be the ones who thrive in this exciting new world. So, how does all this finance innovation affect you and me? Well, in more ways than you might think. Finance innovation, or Fintech as it's often referred to, is transforming the way we do business, manage our personal finances, and interact with the global economy. It's paving the way for greater efficiency, convenience, and accessibility across the finance sector. Let's start with the ease of transactions. Gone are the days of long queues at the bank and lengthy paperwork. With the advent of digital wallets and mobile banking apps, financial transactions are now just a few taps away. This convenience is not just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced world. Whether it's paying your bills, transferring money, or even investing in stocks, finance innovation has made these processes quicker, easier, and more efficient. But it's not just about convenience. Finance innovation is playing a crucial role in increasing financial inclusion. Across the globe, there are billions of individuals and small businesses who've traditionally been excluded from the formal financial system. With innovations like peer-to-peer lending platforms and mobile money services, these underbanked populations now have access to affordable and reliable financial services. This democratization of finance is empowering individuals and fostering entrepreneurship, contributing to economic growth and poverty reduction. And let's not forget about the enhanced financial security. With the rise of blockchain technology and advanced encryption methods, finance innovation is making our transactions more secure than ever. It's offering us protection against fraud, ensuring the privacy of our data, and instilling confidence in the digital financial system. Yet, it's important to remember that finance innovation is not just about technology. It's about people. It's about creating solutions that meet our needs, improve our lives, and help us achieve our financial goals. It's about making finance more accessible, more inclusive, and more secure for all. So when we talk about the impact of finance innovation, we're not just talking about a shift in the industry. We're talking about a shift in the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Finance innovation is not just changing the industry, it's changing our lives. Why should we care about finance innovation and growth strategies? That's the question we've been exploring throughout our journey today, and the answer is quite simple. Because the future of finance is unfolding right before our eyes. Picture this, a world where transactions are completed in the blink of an eye, where data analysis is as easy as asking a question, and where financial inclusion is not just a dream, but a reality. This is the world that finance innovation is creating, and it's a world that offers opportunities aplenty. From the individual investor who can now trade stocks from the comfort of their living room, to the small business owner who can access loans at competitive rates. Finance innovation is democratizing the world of finance. It's breaking down barriers, opening up new markets, and creating a level playing field for all. But with these opportunities come risks. The pace of change is rapid, and those who fail to adapt risk falling behind. Ignoring finance innovation is like turning a blind eye to a tsunami. You might not see it coming, but when it hits, it's too late to do anything about it. So, how do we navigate this brave new world? By embracing finance innovation and growth strategies, by staying informed about the latest developments and understanding how they impact us, by being open to new ways of doing things, and by being willing to learn and adapt. The importance of embracing finance innovation cannot be overstated. It's not just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about shaping the curve. It's about being part of the change, rather than being swept away by it. In the end, the choice is ours. We can choose to be spectators, watching from the sidelines as the world of finance evolves. Or we can choose to be participants, actively shaping our financial future. To thrive in the future of finance, embracing innovation and growth strategies is not an option, it's a necessity.